Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your BodyFast app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on me down here, you just click here on me, sorry, you just click here on me here down. It's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on statistics settings, so just click on it. Then you come to next step here, just go down here, come here to facet overall here, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here facet overall enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.